Dahil sa kagandahan ng pagtayo at husay sa paglakad ni Miss Universe 2018 Catriona Gray, sino ang mag-aakala na mayroon siyang scoliosis mula pa noong siya ay 12 taong gulang? Sa unang pagkakataon, ibinahagi ng model host ang kanyang kondisyon sa kalusugan na ipinost niya sa Instagram kasabay ng National Scoliosis Month. Habang naghahanda siya ay itinuturo niya ang tamang pag-eempake lalo na sa may mga scoliosis. I am someone who diagnosed scoliosis at the age of 12, so quite young, but early prevention is really key to preventing the chronic pain, back pain, surgeries and any other associated challenges when it comes to scoliosis, sabi ni Catriona. Mas madali raw malalaman kung may ganitong kondisyon ng isang tao kapag nakasuot daw ito ng stripes. Stripes fit check is the easiest one to do, so the more the fit is the shirt is more the better thing to do, sabi ng dating beauty queen. Inamin din nito na kapag may mga events ay talagang maayos ang tindig niya, conscious siya sa shoulder, rib and hips level at iba pa. Pero ang talagang relaxed position niya ay nakatabingi sa kanan at kapag nakatalikod ay mas kitang-kita na hindi ito pantay. May ibang taong nakapansin na pala ng lagay ni Catriona at sinabihan na siya noon pa. Mula sa netizen na si @forthelove-of-the-law86, I remember sending you a private message after winning Binibining Pilipinas Day saying you need to work on your body. Sorry for that, Kat. I never knew your struggles. You will always be my fave beauty queen. Sinagot ni Catriona ito ng, "Oh, thanks for the apology. We never know what others are going through, what health conditions they have or what personal challenges they're facing, so being considerate is always a good choice." Appreciated naman siya ng netizen na si @thepinay_a_heart, "Not many public figures are transparent with their conditions. Thank you for being so transparent." Maraming netizens din ang nagsabing maraming matututunan ng lahat sa pag-share na ito ni Catriona gamit ang kanyang platform. Samantala, narito ang mahabang kwento ni Kat tungkol sa pinagdaanan niya. "My body and I have gone through a lot together. Admittedly, there have been many times, as I've studied myself in the mirror, seen pictures of myself, or when I try on a piece of clothing that just doesn't sit right, where the unnatural tilt of my ribs, or hunch of my shoulder has made me feel insecure. My condition, most especially during my stint in international pageantry, put me on the receiving end of countless body-shaming comments because of the unflattering angles my body creates. There's something that I have in common with around 3 million Filipinos, and that's scoliosis, an abnormal curvature of the spine. I was diagnosed at the age of 12, and unfortunately, since I had already experienced my growth spurt, it was too late to pursue a brace. That's why early diagnosis is so important, hence why I am partnering up with Scoliosis Philippines this International Scoliosis Day, to help spread awareness for early diagnosis, especially in kids. An easy way to do this is a #StripesFitCheck. Simply wear a fitted, striped shirt and see if you can spot anything different. Scoliosis doesn't have to be a limiting condition. If diagnosed early, great progress can be made in limiting the progression of the angle of the curve and also the pain experienced throughout one's life, because unfortunately, scoliosis is incurable and a lifetime condition. And I just wanna say to whoever is reading this, may you have scoliosis or just a unique body, as I believe everyone has, you are not limited to just a body shape or ideal. The greatest service your body serves is not to please whatever body ideal is popular or praised by society, but to house the beautiful soul, that is you. I hope in my story, you can find the encouragement, that despite chronic pain, different shapes and sizes, proportions and angles, that you are capable of whatever dream arises in your heart. We're #bent but not broken.